What are these?
These are clocks.
What can you do?
I can jump.
Where do you live?
I live in Lincoln.
Where's the stove?
The stove is by the refrigerator.
One more time.
The stove is by the refrigerator.
What does she want?
She wants she wants cereal.
What does she want?
She wants cereal.
Who's he?
He is farmer.
He
is farmer.
a farmer. Who is he?
He is a farmer.
What do you do every day?
I go to Chinese class every day.
Do you read email every evening?
No, I don't.
What are they doing?
They are riding bicycle.
What do you do on Fridays?
I go to Chinese class on Friday.
Very good. You got 100.